Insta has over 1 billion active users every single month, with the UK providing 27 million of those. This demonstrates just why Insta has become such a valuable tool for businesses all around the globe. Today, we're going to check out some of the key business features of the app. First thing you'll need to do is head into the settings and change to a business or creator account. Business is best if you're an established business or selling products. A creator account may be best for you if you're an influencer or trying to grow a fan following online. There are loads of benefits to switching over to one of these two accounts, which of course is free to do. You can also add a call to action button on your profile, allowing your audience to connect with you in an easy and convenient way. There are also a couple of features unique to a business account, including how you can sync your store with Instagram shoppable posts. Head into the settings to go through the process to link to your store. You can even tag your products on your post. One final bonus feature for you, let's check out these Insta QR codes. These are great to share across other platforms, at networking events, or even printing onto a business card. Head into the settings on your profile and hit the QR code symbol. You'll also have access to a ton of analytics about how your content is performing. Stay tuned for that in our next video. Thanks for watching.